Susan?
Yes, Mr. Bryant.
I'm looking for Mr. Wilson.
He's out.
Oh, where's he gone?
He's in Mr. Heath's office on the 6th floor.
Is he coming back?
Yes, he's coming back at 5 o'clock.
Thanks.
Hello. It's 12:30 and I'm going out to lunch. I'm having lunch with some friends.
Oh, are you coming back to the office in the afternoon?
Yes, I am. I'm coming back after lunch.
Hello? Francis Matthews' office? I'm afraid Mr. Matthews is out. Yes, he's out. He's out. He's gone to lunch. He's gone to lunch. He's gone to a restaurant. He's coming back at 2 o'clock. He's coming back at 2 o'clock. Sorry, he isn't coming back at 2. He's coming back at 3. Is it important? Is it important? Can I take a message for him? Can I take a message for him?
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
I'm looking for Mr. Peter Jones. He isn't in his room, and I can't find him in the restaurant or the bar.
Mr. Peter Jones, room 312.
Yes, that's right.
He's gone to the theatre. He's coming back at 11 o'clock.
Ah, thank you very much.
Hello? Can I speak to Linda, please?
Who's speaking, please?
It's Nigel Milton here.
Oh, hello, Nigel. It's Linda's mother.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Healy. Is Linda there?
Yes, but she's in the bathroom. She's having a bath.
Oh. Well, I'll phone again at 6 o'clock. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Look, it's 3:15. We're going back to work. Are you ready, Mary?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
No, please don't go. It's nice here. Let's have some coffee.
Oh, all right. Where's the waitress?
I don't know. Perhaps she's inside.
I'll go inside and look for her.
Excuse me. I'm looking for Mr. Francis Matthews.
Mr. Matthews? Oh, yes. He's having lunch with some friends. They're outside. These tables are outside. Outside. And these tables are inside. Inside. Outside, inside.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, Mr. Matthews. What's the matter?
I'm looking for the waitress and I can't find her.
I'll find the waitress, sir. I'll find her. But there's a gentleman outside. He's looking for you.
Oh, excuse me. I'm looking for Francis Matthews.
Oh. He's inside.
Is he coming back?
Oh, yes. I think so. He's getting some coffee.
I want to see him. It's important.
No, I'm afraid Mr. Matthews is out. He's at lunch. Yes, he is coming back this afternoon, I think. Would you call again? At 4 o'clock? Thank you. Goodbye.
Oh, there you are. Where have you been?
I've been to the football match. Where have you been?
I've been here, at home, waiting for you.
Ah, there you are.
Sorry I'm late. I've been to the shops. Where have you been?
I've been at work. I've been in the office.
Hello, Joe. Where have you been?
I've been on holiday. I've been to Mallorca.
Where have you been?
Hello, Jane.
Ah, there you are. You're back.
Yes, I'm back. I'm back.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
I've been out to lunch. I've been out to lunch.
And I've been here in the office. And it's 4:30.
Yes, I know. I'm late. I'm very sorry. Are there any messages for me?
Yes, there are.
Are they important?
Yes?
What are you doing, Jane?
I'm going out now. I'm going to the hairdresser's.
Oh, when will you be back?
I don't know.
Yes. Goodbye.
Hello, Francis Matthews speaking. Jane? No, she isn't in the office. She's at the hairdresser's.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dr. Miranda.
So the meeting is at 10 o'clock.
Yes, and the Secretary of State will be there.
What's the matter?
The meeting is at 10 o'clock, and Henry Popel isn't here. Where's he gone?
Miranda's talking to Wilkinson. What's the time?
9:45.
The meeting's at 10. Come on. No, don't kill him now. Leave him here.
We'll be back.
Dr. Miranda, Mr. Lincolnfield.
Dr. Miranda, welcome to Great Britain.
Thank you.
Do you like London?
I like it very much.
Good. Well, shall we go into the auditorium?
Where's Popel? Damn it, where is he?
Dr. Miranda is a man of peace. Yes, a man of peace. A man willing to fight for the peace He believes it.
Right, okay, goodbye.
I've got a message for Dr. Miranda. It's important.
Are you ready?
Thank you all for coming to the World Peace Congress. Thank you.
Did you bring your Dr. Miranda, would you say that you're visiting?
This is your gun. You got my gun.
Thank you, Mr. Popple. Thank you for the message.
Oh, my pleasure, sir. How about the gun?
I don't like guns, Mr. Popple. I'm a man of peace.
That's the end of Plan to Kill. And now...
He's out. He's gone to lunch. He's coming back at 2 o'clock. Is it important? Can I take a message? Outside. Inside. Where have you been? I've been out to lunch.
No, she isn't. She'll be back. Yes. Goodbye. No, I don't know when. She's not here. No, I've told everybody she's not here. Could you just wait a moment? I'm talking to someone.